Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set up Google Authenticator on an Android device. Well, Google Authenticator is a two-step verification software used to enhance the security of your Google account and its related apps and programs. So, the way to set up this application. Okay, first thing first, after installing the application from the Play Store, then you can open it. Well, and then click Get Started here. After that, click Continue with your Google account. Or if you have more than one account, you can click the down arrow and then you can select your Google account. Okay, so now the Google Authenticator application on your device is successfully set up. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set up Google Authenticator on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.